This video highlights the changes we have made to MoversSuite at version 2017 R14. When assigning locations to an office and industrial order, you now have the option to identify an address as the origin or destination address on the order. This allows the addresses associated to an O&I order to appear on invoices. When adding or editing the location, you have a new option available to you. The location address type setting allows you to mark a location as either origin, destination, or other. If you leave the setting blank, then the application defaults the value to other when the location is saved. The application allows you to specify one location as the origin and one as a destination address. The origin and destination addresses display on invoices associated to the order. The option to clear a local service time is now available for services that have crew assignments. When no crew is assigned, you can go into the Set Service Time dialog, select the time you wish to clear, and press Tab to remove the entry. What's new with this release is that you can clear a time when crew is assigned to the service. You will need to first uncheck the Apply to Crew and Equipment option before clearing the time and pressing Tab. If this flag is checked and you attempt to clear the time, then you receive a warning preventing you from saving the record. Within MoversSuite Administration, under the Operations category, your company can now establish custom unit types that you can link to a local service setup record. The Local Service Unit Type Setup allows you to create unit type records with a description that is up to 32 characters. The types are assignable to the Local Service Type records through the Units field. Within this field, you now have the option to select any custom unit you define, in addition to the two defaults available. The two default options are cartons and weight. Prior to this release, these were the only two options available to you. In addition to the customizable unit types, we removed the two average per hour fields for cartons and weight. This information can now be managed from a new units per hour setting. All values that existed before this change are converted for you during the upgrade process. For example, if the service type was based on weight and the average weight per hour setting was 500 pounds, then 500 now shows within the units per hour field. We plan to finish up the changes related to the new unit type with the next release of MoversSuite. In that release, we offer the ability to edit the two default types along with standardizing other values needed to compute hourly crew needs for a local service request. We added a few administrative settings to support upcoming functionality for the MoversSuiteCrew mobile application. You now have options within the mobile API setup to choose what default types you want associated to notes and documents added through the mobile device. The items you choose from for the default note include those established within the note type setup. You can also specify the document type you wish for documents generated through the mobile app for a change order, a job detail, and a job summary report. The options available through these report settings are defined within the document type setup. In addition to these changes, you can specify an image within the mobile company logo setup. The image you add here is the image that displays across the top of report documents generated within the mobile app. If you wish to change this image, click on Change Logo and browse through your system and select a different file. Of note, the image cannot exceed 350 kilobytes in size. You will find out more on the changes to the MoversSuiteCrew mobile application in an upcoming release of MoversSuite. Refer to the online help for version 2017 R14 for more information on the changes we have made. Thank you.